Drink this mixture before you go to sleep and you'll empty your colon of everything you've eaten during the day. The drink we are going to suggest today is one of the most beneficial natural beverages you can have, as it will detox your system, help you lose belly fat, and boost your metabolism. Numerous people find it extremely hard to reduce or eliminate the accumulated fat deposits in the abdominal area, and what is even more alarming is that scientists have confirmed that belly fat is actually linked to serious health issues, like type 2 diabetes, heart diseases, and high blood pressure. In order to reduce belly fat, you need to start doing exercises and consume healthier foods. This drink contains the most potent fat-burning ingredient, lemon, as well as other extremely beneficial natural foods. Parsley is also one of the most beneficial herbs you can use, and it provides many benefits, such as parsley is excellent for the kidneys and bladder infections. Parsley contains powerful antioxidant flavonoids and volatile oils. Parsley will also help you fight uric acid. Parsley is used to prevent cancer, and they do not grow tumors. Parsley is also good to fight stress. Parsley is also used to eliminate breath, and it's very simple, you just have to chew parsley leaves. It is anti-inflammatory. Parsley infusion can help you lower fluid retention, go-to. It works as a blood purifier as well. It is a natural diuretic. Removes excess water from the body. This is how to prepare it. You will need the following ingredients. Handful of parsley. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1 cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Half a liter of water. Preparation. Here's what you need to do, it's very simple. You just have to put all the ingredients mentioned above into a blender and blend well. You should drink this juice every night before you go to sleep and wake up every morning with less weight. Trust me, you will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.